Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today we're going to be working on the bedroom of our two-story cardboard dollhouse. So, of course, to make the bed, we're going to be using cardboard, okay? So, I've seen so much cardboard. Once this project is over, I don't think I even want to see another piece of cardboard for a long time. But it is so durable to make so many things, and I've learned so much by just using cardboard, and this is such a fun project. So we're doing this part now, which is part 7, and now we're gonna be working on the bedroom. I'm debating whether or not there should be a bathroom. I personally don't use the bathrooms in my dollhouses. I really don't, to be honest with you. But let me know in the comments down below if you think I should add a bathroom or not. I'm gonna leave the space for a bathroom for now, but if you guys think that I should add a bathroom, then let me know in the comments down below. Or if you guys feel like a bathroom really isn't necessary, let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll decide from there what you guys think. I'll count all the votes, and then we'll determine whether we'll do a bathroom. So let's go ahead and get straight into doing the bed. So for the bed, I had this box where it had like these little panels that fold in. So I just cut the box down to the size of the bed that I wanted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue this side panel that I cut off and glue it to the side right here. Okay, so next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bottom 2 flaps right here and hot glue them together like this. Okay, so now we have the base for our bed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over, and then I'm going to cover this whole thing with this concrete contact paper. I do want to do concrete because the bedroom is a smoky pink, so I feel like concrete and white will look very good in this room. I'm using a lot of light colors and a lot of like cool light things for this room because I'm very inspired by a lot of like furniture magazines and things like that. So I feel like this would be good texture in the room. So let's go ahead and cover this up. Okay, so I covered the base of the bed, and now I have this piece of cardboard I cut out to be the headboard, and I'm going to cover it with the same exact concrete paper. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and glue it to the back of the headboard back here. Okay, so now we have the base of our bed. So I'm not gonna put no legs on there because I want it to be one of those beds that lay kind of to the ground. I've been seeing a lot of that on Pinterest, and I want to give it, you know, I love that boho type of look. So I do want this bed to be a little lower. So I do want to add a mattress to this bed. So I did cut out a piece of cardboard that is a little bit bigger than the actual bed. So let's go ahead and make a mattress. Okay, so to do the mattress, I'm going to be using my batting. This is the quilt batting that I use. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below if I can find it. I use this to make quilts for the beds recently because I just started doing that. And then sometimes for pillow stuff if I don't have the fluff that I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay some layers of batting on top of this piece of cardboard. Okay, so I cut the batting. It's 3 layers of batting. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue it onto the cardboard. So now that I have my batting on, I'm going to go ahead and take my white fabric and cover it, and then we're going to flip it over to the other side, and then I'm just going to straighten it up. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cover the cardboard part with the fabric and hot glue it all the way around. And glue that side. So now I'm going to flip it over, and now we have a mattress. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue this on top of our bed frame. Okay, so So next we're going to make a side table. And for the side table, I'm going to take one of my surprise balls, and then I'm going to go ahead and trace out a circle on a piece of cardstock. I have this box that I saved from a table set I bought from my restaurant that I made. I will show you guys what that video looks like. You guys can check it out in my videos that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a circle so it could be the top part for the side table. All right, and then I'm going to cover this circle with this contact paper. It's kind of like a pink gold cream color, and I really like it. I've had this for a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and just glue this on to the back right here. Okay, so now that we have our top to our table, to make the table, we're gonna take 2 surprise balls and we're gonna go ahead and glue them together. And once they're combined, I flip it over and then we have the top to our table. So next what I'm going to do is glue this on top to make the top to the end table. And it gives it a very fun, interesting look to the room instead of just a basic table. And I really do love this, and I like the idea. So let me know in the comments if you guys tried this with your surprise balls, because I've been looking at different ways to recycle the surprise balls, and I thought this was genius. I just thought it was simply genius. All right, so now we have our end table right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the room. Okay, so the last furniture piece I would like to make for this room is a dresser. So I want to make a dresser. I have this box, which is what my moss came in, and I thought it would be perfect because it's nice and sleek and it's not too bulky, so it'll be perfect to be a full dresser. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it with concrete contact paper. Okay, so for the drawers of our dresser, I'm going to use the same marble scrapbook paper and go ahead and just glue my drawers onto the back. Guys, so now that we're in the room, I did add the fold drawers to the dresser, as you guys see right here. I added 4 of them because that's what would fit, and I added this mirror that you guys see me do in a previous build. If you guys watch my Dollhouse series, you guys see me use that mirror before. And I hung the curtains, which I showed you guys how I did that in my last video, and this is just a view of that side table. I think it looks so cute, and I put a book on there and some roses in a vase, which I think is really cute because I really love these roses. So I made this intricate comforter. I sewed some designs on there and I hemmed it, and I think I did a really good job. I'm practicing my sewing more and more, and just seeing myself from where I started to where I am now, I am very proud of myself of my journey of making doll beds and doll clothes. So after that, I made some pillows to match with the bedding. I did everything white because I don't know, right now in my decorating stage, I love like just that crisp white look. So that's what I wanted for this room. So I made 2 pillows that were like a larger size, and then I made 2 medium sized pillows, and then I decided to add 1 black and white decorative pillow just to add a little design to the room. So next you'll see me with this pink dusty throw blanket. I made this in a previous video where I did a living room in my dollhouse. So I want to add a decoration to the wall. So I had this printout from my apartment dollhouse. That apartment dollhouse, that floor that had the living room, I'm turning it into an office, so I did remove the paintings from there. So I did add a mirror from the Naturalistas, and this is that picture that I got from that other dollhouse. So stay tuned because my penthouse, kind of like the apartment style house, is now going to be an office. So let me know what you guys think of this room. I really love how it came out and how it came together. And thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 8. See you guys in the next video. Bye.